Hello again, ladies and gents. Hello again to all my friends. This is our student review for... What's the topic we're looking at? You can say it louder than that.
Integers!
I didn't say yell. Integers. And it's 2017. I keep writing 2016, which is really, really annoying because we're in March already. Anyways, so we're going to look at a couple of different topics, right? First thing we want to look at is... Well, how about I do an example on comparing integers, because I don't think you want to.
No.
So, comparing integers. That does not look like comparing. That looks like companning. Comparing integers. Then we will look at adding or subtracting first. Subtracting integers. And how about we'll do 2 or 3 examples of each one, okay? And then adding integers, you okay with that? Beautiful. The one thing I forgot to do, everyone can say hello now.
Hi! Hello! Hi, Mom!
Good. So, comparing, subtracting, and adding. I'm going to do comparing integers first. Whenever we compare integers, just numbers in general, we use 3 different symbols. We have this symbol, we have this symbol, and we have this symbol. This first one here, this is known as less than. The reason why I know it's less than is because it kind of looks like an L. See? No, I'm going to get rid of all that. Doesn't look good. But yeah, it looks like an L, so it's less than. The next one, this is greater than. And I really don't know how to show that's greater than, except for the fact that I know this one is less than. Well, Pac-Man eats the bigger number every time. Anyways, less than. Another way we can show that is the less than 3 symbol, which kind of looks like a heart. But this doesn't mean a heart. It means less than 3. Ha 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 ha. And then the last one is equal to. So if we want to do some examples, let's get some numbers in here. If I have -8 and say +4, I'm going to say that -8 is less than +4. Now Pac-Man's going to come into play. Waka 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 waka. Pac-Man always wants to eat the bigger number. But this is -8 is less than +4. And I know I wrote the 8 as a number and the 4 as a letters, whatever. Let's do one more. We'll take -12 and -17. Now this one's weird because they're both negative, so it's not an easy answer. But if we think about it, -17 is colder than -12. -12 would be warmer. Now that's if we're thinking about thermometers, right? Which, that kind of looks like a thermometer. It might be a spoon. Some people would say that. Either way. So, -12 is actually greater than -17. This is for another one of my students. I forgot to do this earlier. Oops. There you go. Happy? Yeah, he's happy. Okay, good. So we're going to get into subtracting now. And we're going to give it up to student number 1. So be sure to explain what you're doing, okay?
So my first subtracting integers is -7 take away -6, and that would equal. So can I explain it my way?
Yeah, explain it however way you know how to
So
explain it.
if you have 2 negative signs, that would equal a positive number. Sorry if it confuses anyone. And so, get my calculator. So -7, being mean to me. Take away. And, oh, it's being mean.
What's being mean? Your calculator?
Yeah.
Calculator is being mean. Let's try it again. 6. Oh, yes, put the 6 in first.
Yeah.
7, negative, take away. 6, negative, equals.
6. That right?
I don't think so.
No, that. I'm getting mad at.
Let's think about this again. Can I draw it out?
Yep.
Thank you. So I'm going to draw my jar of negatives. I'm going to draw a purple jar of negatives. I'm going to get rid of that. Sorry.
Sorry, I missed.
No, it's okay. I'm going to have 7 negatives in here. I think that's 7. Yep. Now I want to take away 6 of those negatives. Can I do that?
Yes.
I'm going to take 6 of them away. 1, 2,
So it'd be
3,
-1.
4, 5, 6. So we're left with -1. Now what you were saying is when you have 2 negative symbols, that actually equals positive, right? So we can think of this as positive. And if it's -7 plus 6, you would still end up with -1. That's correct. Do you want to do one more? Can we...
Sure.
Okay.
Can you give me one to do?
How about you do +8 take away -2.
Okay, so that would be equal to. Okay, so 8 take away 2.
So you've got 8 positives.
So 1 second, I can get this.
Excuse me.
1 sec. That would be +6.
No? So
It's
I've
not
got 8 positives.
Yeah, because you're
Yes, it is.
Right?
it's +6 because you're taking. You have the 8 and you take away 2. That's gonna be.
But are you taking it away? You're taking away 2 negatives. Controversy. Ooh.
Oh, it's -6, isn't it?
Is it -6? Are you sure?
I thought it was positive.
Remember, you've got 2 negatives, right?
Yeah.
1 negative there and 1
so
negative
it would
there.
be a positive.
So it's positive. So it's +8 plus
Plus
2.
Oh.
So the eraser's here. You can erase
Yeah.
it. Right? So what should it be?
So it should be 8 plus 2. So that'd be.
You're still on the eraser right there. Yeah.
Oh,
So I write with the eraser like every video. It's amazing.
So that would be +10.
10. +10. Very good. Thank you. Yes, student.
Can you, for every video, can you make every slide black and then use eraser just to write every letter?
If I like dye the background black, yeah, but that's not going to look that great. Now we are going to do addition of integers. Student 3? Is this student 2 or student 3? Student 2. Student 3 might not be with us, but yeah, we'll go for it.
Okay, so for addition, so for example, -13 plus +4. So since we have -13, how I like to think about it is just take that off and use this. So then -13 plus 4 is -9. Because if you don't really need the positive next to the 4. So how I like to think about it is just take.
Looks like -G to me.
Okay, sorry.
That's alright. You don't have to be sorry. There you go. That looks
So-
well enough.
Okay, so or how you could do it
You
is
know what -G means? -G means negative gravity. We'd all be floating around.
okay, or you can take away this plus sign
Mhm.
and use the negative sign. So put 13 -4, and then put 9.
You're moving too many signs around.
Okay, fine. Get rid of all of that.
Take away all the signs.
Just use this. So 13
Subtract.
subtract 4 is 9.
And remember, that's the area where we don't see what's being written.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Don't
I
worry.
don't know how to move it up.
Let's go to a new example.
Okay, so
Sorry.
if we do,
No, because
let's do
they
something
put that
harder.
there so people
So
can
let's
see
do
who
-13 add -15. So what we
Why does it look like a K?
okay, I don't know.
Why is it supposed to be a B?
Hey, you shouldn't comment.
don't know how to erase it.
No, but
Eraser's on top.
Yeah.
Nope, nope, nope.
Well, you just.
Okay, there you go. That's fine. Perfect.
There we go. So you would add reading puppies. So you would get rid of the negative symbols, add these two, which would equal to 28, and then use the negatives signs and put them back. So negative 28. And yeah.
So negative 13 plus negative 15. The way I like looking at it is
Triple equation.
I owe someone $13, and then I come by and I say, hey, can I get another $15? And they go, well, you still owe me money, but okay, here you go. And that equals, I owe them now in total $28.
Don't they owe you?
Or they owe me, either way. Somebody owes somebody. All right, student 3, is student 3 with us? Student 3 is shaking their head
I'll be
nervously.
next to the.
No, they're on the next one. But okay, so that's going to be it for today.
I'll be student 3.
Do you want to be student 3's voice and student 3 can just write? Would that be okay?
Sure.
No? Student 3 still says no. All right, we'll discuss it another time. We're all going to say thank you.
No, I want to write.
You want to write thank you? Okay.
Yeah.
No, we don't say that.
Just student 17.
Thank.
TY? Yeah, you wish. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we want to say bye-bye now?
Bye.
Bye-bye.